At Safeway, down Pembina by Bishop Grattan.
Nice.
And it was so piddly, we could pick it up with one arm.
Really?
Did you get a real one?
Yeah. I made Christmas cookies.
Oh, clog in the middle.
These will be gone.
Don't clog the middle. Keep spread out.
Oh, I was supposed to make a gingerbread house. Like one time we had a kit.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's,
Because you can't eat that either.
yeah.
It's just kind of
I want to make like a huge one, like detailed.
like rolled down.
What do they call those gals? Those stalls, not gals. Yeah!
Read that.
Spike it. My arm's getting sore.
Do you want me to take over? We can still make sound effects.
Maybe. If you want. Well done.
What do you think of the Christmas Carol? Is there any Christmas Carol that's turned into Ultimate Frisbee? Yeah.
Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Na 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 now.
Defense, no break, no break!
Oh.
No break! Up! Nice, Elaine.
How does it do that?
Next time. Is that? Next time. Yeah, I know it. Man, that stuff's expensive. But delicious. Egg. Two. I'm on it. Oh! Oh! Oh, yay! That's why I got excited. Hum, hum. Hum, hum, hum.
Just so frustrating.
Keep going. It's still rolling.
That's the worst. Just roll so far away. I know, I don't play really bad now. I forget how much I love them. Oh, goodness. He wants to know if you caught that on tape.
I got it! You're all good! Even zoomed up victory face is on!
That's gonna be on TSN tonight.
Because like you don't stop and
It's
so
either,
you get like 24
they
points. or
either
something.
cap it, or if it goes too long then there's a certain time.
Wait, do they play to a certain score, or is it just play for 5 minutes?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Is it 5 minutes? Oh, okay, so it's...
Because at like outdoor, it's a certain point, and then you go halftime.
Standard games up to... Yeah, okay.
Nice, good choice. Really open.
Yeah. The crab. You know, Doug. Oh! Tricky. Zippos! Sounds good. Are you doing anything tomorrow?
Work, then basketball, but I can come after that.
So kind of like the past 2 days?
So I need to do a couple things at school first.
Nice, lots of time. Good turn here.
So as long as one foot's in, you're fine?
Yeah.
That keeps throwing me off, actually.
Yeah, eats.
That was your move.
Oh!
Hey, back, he's back! 2-2!
Oh! That's a sick catch though.
Redo.
Here's the plan. It's 8-9. Plan still stands. Is to win. Y'all with me?
I'm with you.
I pity the fool that doesn't know what a plan is. You know what time it is? It's game time. That's what Mr. T says. It's game time. So y'all better win. Or else Mr. T gonna punish the fool. Sucker. And then a bag of chips. Still want my Oreos and cupcakes. Kool-Aid.
As if there's no halftime. What kind of game is this? No refs, no halftime?
And to the makers of Kool-Aid. How's that going?
Yeah.
Don't fill up your...
All the way to the top.
All the way to the
I
top.
appreciate you trying to get the most value for the price.
When I open up the top.
Steel, chrome, garbage
Yeah,
can.
man. No breaks.
Smack it.
Oh, really? Where?
Kenya for most of the time. Mozambique. Amsterdam.
Hello?
I would never go for that.
Oh.
We got a bruised rib on the play.
This is knee still bloody? Nope.
Here wasn't the bloody one, this is the bloody one over there.
Oh, shoot.